Time travel, a dream that has fascinated humanity for centuries. From ancient legends to modern science fiction, the idea of moving through time has never lost its charm. But is it truly possible? Scientists believe that the laws of physics may allow it, at least in theory. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not fixed. It bends, stretches, and slows down depending on speed and gravity. This means time is like a river, sometimes calm, sometimes rapid, and sometimes looping back on itself. One proven effect is time dilation. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station age slightly slower than people on Earth. This happens because they are traveling at high speeds, where time flows differently. It's not science fiction, it's real physics. But can we move backward in time? That's where things get complicated. Traveling forward is possible through speed or gravity, but traveling backward may require bending spacetime itself. Some scientists propose wormholes, tunnels through spacetime connecting two distant points. If one end moves faster than the other, it could theoretically create a shortcut through time. However, no wormhole has ever been discovered or proven stable. Another theory involves cosmic strings, hypothetical defects in the universe that could warp time around them. If two strings passed near each other, they might create a time loop, a way to revisit the past. But this remains purely theoretical. Quantum physics adds another twist. It suggests that time might not flow in one direction at all. Particles at the quantum level sometimes behave as if they exist in multiple times simultaneously. This could mean that past, present, and future all exist at once, we simply move through them. Still, time travel faces huge paradoxes. What if you went back and changed something? Would your future self cease to exist? This is known as the grandfather paradox. To solve it, some scientists suggest that multiple timelines could exist, like parallel universes. Change one event, and you create a new branch of reality instead of altering your own. Researchers at NASA, MIT, and other institutions continue to study the nature of time. Experiments using atomic clocks, quantum particles, and gravitational waves are helping us understand how time behaves under extreme conditions. The more we learn, the stranger it becomes. Famous physicist Stephen Hawking once joked that if time travel were possible, we'd already be surrounded by tourists from the future. So far, no visitors have appeared, but that doesn't mean the idea is impossible. Science tells us that time is flexible, not absolute. The challenge lies in harnessing that flexibility safely and meaningfully. We may never build a time machine in the traditional sense. But we already experience the flow of time differently depending on where we are and how fast we move. Perhaps the real mystery isn't traveling through time, but understanding what time truly is. As technology and physics evolve, the dream of time travel may one day move from science fiction to science fact. Until then, time remains both our greatest mystery and our most precious resource.